Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we explore some of the most beautiful and unique places across Arizona, from desert canyons to mountain peaks. Today we're heading up north to Flagstaff to experience one of the coolest rides in the state, the Arizona Snowbowl Scenic Gondola. Located high on the western slopes of the San Francisco Peaks, Snowbowl sits at about 9,500 feet, and the gondola takes you all the way up to over 11,500 feet above sea level. From the top, you get breathtaking panoramic views. You can even spot the Grand Canyon on a clear day. Whether you're visiting in summer for hiking and wildflowers or in winter for world-class skiing, this ride is an unforgettable way to see Arizona from above, so buckle up, relax, and let's take a ride on the Snowbowl Gondola. Oh, what an incredible ride. The views from the top of Snowbowl were absolutely stunning. Endless forests and mountain peaks. We have to admit it was pretty chilly up there, but totally worth it. If you ever find yourself in Flagstaff, we definitely recommend taking the gondola ride. It's a perfect way to experience Arizona from a whole new perspective. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time in the next Arizona travel video.